This is how you turn video calling on or off on your iPhone. The word that iPhone uses for video calling is FaceTime, and there's some FaceTime settings that we can toggle. So let's go into the Settings app. On the main settings page, scroll all the way down until you get to Apps. Tap on Apps, tap on the F on the right-hand side, or scroll down to the F section. Tap on FaceTime, and at the very bottom of this first page here, I have a FaceTime toggle. If I turn off this toggle, FaceTime is not going to allow video calling. You can still audio call with FaceTime as well, and this does not affect regular phone calls in any way. The regular phone app is separate from FaceTime on an iPhone. They're two different things. So this does not affect the regular phone calls in any way. It only affects FaceTime, which is the video calling option on iPhone. If you get value from my videos, you want to help support this channel, there's a join button right down below this video. Click on that to see the various options for joining the channel memberships for my channel. I really appreciate you checking that out. And if you want to find more space on your phone, this is the video for you. Sometimes, for some people, you can find gigabytes of space. So make sure you check that out next. And if you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.